In this session today, let's talk about how to verify the statistics, which means the resource consumption of the containers running on the Docker host machine. Resource consumptions like CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk utilization, and network utilization. Not only that, I want to see the process information as well on the containers. Let us see what are the commands we have to execute in order to pull this info. First of all, I have to create a container by executing docker container run -d -fn name demo 01 and then image. I'll be using a default image what I used in the previous examples as well, and then enter. Let me try to create another container and third one as well. Now these three containers have been created with the names demo01, demo02, demo03. Let us verify the status of these containers. Docker container ps. All the containers are up and running. Now I want to see all these containers related resource consumption on the system right now. Execute the command docker container stats. If you want to see all the container statistics, then you need to run docker container stats. And I want to see the live information. You can see it is getting refreshed for every 1 second. And here we can see the info, the columns like container ID, name of the containers, CPU utilization in percentage, memory utilization out of the total limit on the Docker host machine in the percentage form, network utilization, and the block utilization, means the number of disk read and write operations. And finally, the total number of processes running inside the container. Because we have created from the same image, obviously there will be equal number of processes in each and every container. But look at the network utilization, disk utilization, memory utilization, and CPU utilization. Those are differed because every container will have its own utilization. What you are seeing on the output right now. If you want to come out of this command, we have to give Ctrl+C to stop this particular action. In the previous command, we have executed and we are printing the statistics for every second on the front end. Now, I have a requirement where I just want to print the output and the cursor has to point on a new line. Then what we are supposed to do, for the same command, we need to see what are the options we need to pass. For example, docker container stats and then -fn help. In this, we can use an option called no stream. Let me specify that option for this command. We can see the data has been pulled and it has been printed. After that, it is continuing with the next action by pointing the cursor on a new line. If you want this approach, then you don't need to give -no stream. Or if you want to print an output like this, then we have to add an option called no stream. Or if you want to print a statistics of individual containers, then we have to provide the container name or ID. It's up to you. Let's say demo01. We can see the statistics have been pulled of this demo01 container. In this way, we can pull the data. For example, I want to print this output not in a table form. I want to print in JSON format. Then we have to use an option called -fn format, and then we can specify the format as JSON. You can see the output has been printed in JSON format in a single line. As we seen, this is how we have to pull the data of the statistics consumed by each and every container on the system. Now I want to print the process related information of the containers running on the system. For that, we need to run the command docker container top and the container name. Let us say demo01. And here we can see the process related information. If you want to see second container, third container, in this way we can pull the process related information by executing a command called docker container top. If you want to print the count, then we can go to the previous command stats. It will print the total number of process IDs running inside the container. But if you want to see the process related information, then we have to give docker container top. This will help you to pull the statistics of the containers running on the system as part of troubleshooting. Thank you.